Hey guys, so it's the big day. Me, Niko, Nina, and their family and my family are going camping, and it's gonna be an adventure. No phone. No phone. Oh my god, no phone. And yeah, it's gonna be difficult. See you on the road.
I'm hungry.
You're hungry?
Okay, so we're going to Discount Tires because apparently my dad's tire is low in the back. Put your hands up. So I guess, okay, we're in Wisconsin now, and they're going to the subway. Yeah, I guess like they're pulling to the subway, so we gotta go with them. So yeah, that's funny. There they are. There's our crew, and then a rap sheet.
I like the horn dad.
Girl, I'm a raider, but I'm not like Oakland. My purse is kinda high.
Yeah.
I want some pop like stove shit. Blame it all on the alcohol. Let's go. And if
We
you
made it.
Yeah.
Had no signal. We're gonna die.
Hey, you got Einstein too?
Yeah.
I was like, what the hell is Einstein?
I know, right? Oh.
Yeah,
Okay, Nina, close your window though.
Ooh, no service.
It sucks. Hey, babe.
Oh, hey, she got
We might have a
service.
little problem.
I got a little too.
We like
Did you
have
really?
like, barely any service. Like I'm like dead serious.
Oh, fudge!
What? The
Did you guys
beginning.
start eating already?
No.
No.
I did. It's okay.
This is where we're gonna be kicking it for the next
2 days.
Oh my gosh, we better spray ourselves.
2 days.
2 long days. Without service.
Figuring out where to put the tent.
Wait, is that Saturday?
I'm trying to find out. Oh.
I think.
What do they care?
Yeah, guys.
Just the bathroom? Oh, never mind.
This is our territory. If you trespass, you're dead.
So a steak up their ass.
Yes, we should. Well, I don't know. I don't want to get bitten by mosquitoes. Like by my everybody guard their territories.
Yeah, I know.
Someone
Traffic. Okay, so we're gonna attempt to put up the tent by ourselves.
I haven't
All
put
right.
up the tent by myself in like forever. Okay, never at all.
Never at all.
Ooh, Jesus. This is my first time, so.
Yeah, I know, me too.
This is my, I don't even know.
Yeah.
I've done it before, though.
Sure.
No, I have. Seriously. It's not myself. Okay. Hey, do you have like a mallet?
Your nunchucks.
Is the mallet there? Is the mallet there?
Pound it with your fist. Come on. Pussy real good.
Push it.
Yeah, right there.
It's streaking.
I wasn't even paying attention to what you were saying. Grab the tent and pull it out.
Okay, that's them. Everybody putting up a tent here.
Come on.
Go, Mel.
On your mark, get set, go. Niko, keep your chest up.
Uh-oh.
Come on, Mel. Alright, so you guys get to sleep in the car.
Wait, switch. This is our day, our first day. Moving along. Yeah, a bunch of kids messing with my
We didn't even go to the beach yet.
Yeah, I know.
We're just trying to ward off the wolves.
Air sound system.
And that's gonna be down in like an hour.
Alright. Get out of here. This is the life.
Jared got almost punched in the face.
Camping. I left my house full of electronics and collectibles.
I know, and air conditioning. Yeah, the temperature, it's 70 degrees. 7 degrees, and we're out in the beach with our bathing suits.
Mine's blue.
Yeah. Oh, it's pretty. Yeah, mine is. Yeah, red wine, blue, whatever. Oh, okay.
That water is freaking freezing.
I know, it's so cold.
Frozen.
Yeah, we're just like. Yeah, we're just gonna like. Okay. It's not supposed to be like this at the beach.
So yeah, this is Niko, and they want me to show you guys something. Say what's on.
Hey, what's up?
Yeah.
Oh crap! Oh. That was gay.
What'd you guys even say? What'd you guys even say?
Sheboygan. Sheboygan.
What the hell?
I didn't know
I was like, what did they say?
run into the camera, like, okay?
Now go run in the water.
Go away. Ready? Set, go! Watch, you go for distance, it could be lost.
Let's go, Nina, our turn. Ready?
You nuts?
Let's go.
Fucking nuts? Let's go!
Ah! Ah!
Oh God, no! Now we're back and we're chilling.
Hey.
Hi, buddy.
Hi.
Nina. Niko's
shut
ass. Niko. That's an inside joke, right? Inside joke.
Joke that I absolutely hate.
Yes, but we won't go into that.
For the sake of game.
Shut
For
up.
the love of game, I mean. Damn it.
Me, babe. Nix, you know what you got?
Guys, who wants ballpark hot dogs?
No thanks. Nix,
Give
you
me
know
a
you
wiener.
got like-
Get me where you don't.
Give me
Did Mari tell you she got bit in her? She woke
Yeah,
up like
and it
she looked.
swelled up like a.
She
Really?
looked like Quasimodo. Don't you be like more? Honey, be careful. And I was concerned because it was by the eye.
Really?
Because I said,
Oh, dang! Firebender, yeah.
Got that. Jesus Christ.
Making s'mores. Alright. Alright.
Smile, 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 smile.
Very nice.
Thanks, Uncle James.
Got a room.
oh no.
We're just chilling in the camp now. It's like probably like 10 at night, so. Oh, okay.
I could have sworn I seen that.
Where?
Something about that girl from Scary Movie.
In Quiet Game?
That girl Cindy.
Oh.
And then
Was it?
Indian.
So yeah, that's day 1. So day 2. Day 2 coming up, guys. Day 2.
And they were like cussing out.
Oh, what's up, vlog? It's like really. I don't even know what time it is right now. What is
Like
it?
10 something.
10, like 23.
Yeah.
I just got off the phone. She knows who.
Yeah. Shargan.
Oh, and we're like playing the quiet game right now.
Oh yeah, because it's not working out really well right now.
There's like 3 families around us.
Yeah. She's on the phone. Oh,
And
see if
there's
we can get her to shut up.
handicap-
Yeah.
There's like a handicapped family across from us in like a cabin.
Oh yeah, we can't laugh that loud. With your stupid ass laugh.